Okay, so today, focus.
I'm the person with some crazy thoughts.
Focus, Becky. Focus. Come on, focus.
Yeah, let me know what's up.
Okay, so we are going to Twin Peaks Waterfall. Yesterday, I didn't get to close out the day, but this is day 3 in Hawaii. And we're going to Twin Peaks Waterfall. We're going down there to go swimming and see the waterfalls and possibly a hike. It's gonna take us about 47 minutes to get there. So I'll try to show you guys as much as I possibly can, but I'm doing the driving, so I might not be able to record. So whatever I can get, I will get, but I don't think I'm gonna be able to get too much.
No, I'm
so
gonna play that song at your funeral. They're gonna be like,
I will see you guys when we get there. I'm excited because I swam in this guy is like right here. He's like literally right here.
He just said he's gonna die from weed.
This guy's ass is right into the
Mother.
I heard you. He said he's gonna die. No, he's not.
He said he's gonna
don't
overdose on weed.
I can't. My kids. My fucking kids. My son is in college and my daughter is over here about to go to college
anymore.
So we're gonna go and we're gonna go to, back to what I was saying, okay? I swam in a waterfall before, but it was in Honolulu over on over in Oahu. So we're gonna go do that today, but we will see you guys when we get there. I'll get it, like I said, I'll get as much footage, but we'll see you guys when we get there. So we are walking through to go to the waterfall.
Is it cold?
It's not that.
So we're headed up this beautiful trail to the 3rd waterfall. The other one was like, the way down was too steep. So we're headed up this trail. I'm about to show you guys. What the heck was that?
There's no one in that tree.
There's no one in there.
There's no one in the tree. The coconut just fell.
The coconut fell.
Because she was chopping it up and she had those things on her.
There's the flowers. She was taking the flowers. That was a whole like dunk dunk. I caught that on camera. Yes. I caught that on camera. Anyway, back to this beautiful trail.
They're eating at your feet. Your cat, they're eating the stuff off your feet.
I know, I was in there and I was like lasted a couple minutes, so I was kind of like, I don't think I can do this.
That's the problem, is the sliminess. Everything else is okay.
But the fish are eating your dead skin.
They
Tell-
can have it, but this
Tell your people.
this chica.
We're all here waiting for you.
I know, right?
It's a whole bunch of them over
This
there.
one is coming. They're
Yeah.
like, she's coming. She's coming right now. Look.
They can smell us.